on this one in just a few moments. The Thunder are gone, so this one is full. All right, we're going to get started, guys. Good luck to everybody in this break. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto. There should be 2 autos per box on average. Get your guesses in. Good luck, everybody. This is 22-23 Recon basketball. Again, we'll have 2 autos per box on average. Right. 10 packs per box, 6 cards per pack. Empty box. Here we go with pack number 1, break number 1. We got the Anthony Edwards Vector going to the Timberwolves. Caleb Houston, rookie out of 99. That's going to be 7 out of 99. Caleb Houston going to Orlando. There's our first auto. That is going to be Kennedy Chandler. I'll do my best to save the other auto to the end. That's out of 125. That is 19 out of 125. You'll need to get your guesses in for the auto as quick as you can, just in case that next auto pops up. You do not have to be in the break to guess. All you have to do is guess a player out of this 22-23 Recon product. Tyrese Martin, Kyrie Irving. Then we have Okongwu for Atlanta. Here's our next pack. Checking to see if the auto not in there. Future Legends, Jaden Ivey. That's going to the Pistons. And we have Chris Paul, Chris Middleton, Austin Reeves, DeAndre Ayton, and Malcolm Brogdon. Our next pack. Up next after this will be the Mosaic Football 4 hanger box break. That is 22 Mosaic. There's a Rookie of the Year runner-up, Walker Kessler for the Jazz. Lou Dort out of 299. That's 235 out of 299. Walker Kessler, rookie for the Jazz. We have Cole Anthony, James Harden, and Aaron Nesmith. We have the Rock the Rim of Russell Westbrook. That is going to the Lakers. Mikal Bridges out of 199. That is 176 out of 199. On to Brooklyn. We have Paul George, Rudy Gobert, Eric Gordon, and Lauri Markkanen. We'll get some of these top loaded here real quick, and then we'll get through the rest. You guys have time to get your guesses in for the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. Got a nice little mix of baseball, football, and basketball tonight. We do have spots available in some other breaks tonight, so grab those spots. The link is pinned to the top of the chat. A couple more here. I'm going to top load, and then we'll get to through the rest of the break here. We got 6 packs left. Halfway through the break. Should still have one auto left. Now, if that auto is replaced by Panini points, we will random those points off to someone in the break. As all systems go, Zion Williamson. We have Jade McDaniels. Oh, there's the other auto. Hoping to save it to the end. Is that? That is Bones Highland is the second auto going to the Clippers. And that is out 49, 46 out of 49 on that one. Really hard to get that to focus. There we go. 46 out of 49. Destined for greatness. Bones Highland is the guess for the second auto. If anybody guessed Bones, got 20 in credit headed your way. We got Peyton Watson, rookie, Mikal Bridges, and Nicholas Claxton. On to our next pack. Devin Booker on the vector insert. Onto the Suns. Jalen Williams. That's out of 299. 138 out of 299. Going to the Thunder. Malik Beasley. Jimmy Butler. Jalen Noel. Emmanuel Quickly. 4 packs left. There's Paolo Banchero on the Future Legends. So we got Connor in a break here later. I'll make sure to adjust the checklist for that. 289 out of 299. There's another Bones Highland for the Clippers. Good luck, Connor, in that Court Kings break later. Jamal Murray, Cameron Johnson, Gordon Hayward, and Bam Adebayo. 3 packs left. Got Kelly Oubre, Kyle Kuzma, Anthony Simons, Luka Doncic, Gary Trent, Anthony Edwards. The last 2 packs. We got the Jaden Ivey rookie for Detroit. Kenyon Martin Jr., 9 out of 199. David Roddy rookie. We got Bobby Portis, PJ Washington, and Trey Murphy. And our last pack after this will top load what we have, do a recap, and we'll move on to our Mosaic Football Hanger Box break. Rock the rim coming up here. That's going to be Zion Williamson. Grant Williams out of 299. That's going to be 19 out of 299. Going to Boston. Steph Curry. Wendell Carter Jr. Kevin Durant. And we got Lonzo Ball. All right, let me get these top loaded. We'll do our recap and move on to the next break. And up next is our 22 Mosaic Football 4 hanger box break. And we're going to follow that up with the Topps Gold Label, Topps Chrome Mega Box break. Grab your spots in the remaining breaks, guys. Get these filled. We got several spots left. you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications so you know when we go live. We will be back again on Monday at 10 p.m. Eastern. There's a link floating around in the chat to get 10% off those remaining spots. So if anybody wants to buy spots for Monday, you have the link for that. All right, here we go. Here's our recap. We got the Devin Booker vector insert there. The Jalen Williams out of 299. Paolo Banchero on the Future Legends. Bones Highland out of 299 for the Clippers. We had the Kelly Oubre. Don't know, I can't remember what that parallel is called there. The Jaden Ivey rookie. We had the Kenyon Martin Jr. out of 199. Grant Williams out of 299. Bones Highland was our last auto of the break, and that was out of 49, going to the Clippers. And we had the Anthony Edwards vector insert. Caleb Houston out of 99, rookie for Orlando. Future Legends, Jaden Ivey. Walker Kessler rookie. Lou Dort out of 299. Mikal Bridges out of 199. And our first auto was Kennedy Chandler, rookie for the Memphis Grizzlies. And that was out of 125. All right, that does it for break number 1.